Hello everybody, welcome back to Vidyasagar classes YouTube channel. So as a part of our series of idioms and phrases video, today we have come up with the sixth part of our idiom discussion. So please watch the channel, this video till the end, and you will get lot of useful idioms for your competitive preparation, especially for SSC and other BD, OTET, OSTT examinations. So let us start. So the first idiom we are going to discuss today is off the record. That means not made as an official statement. That means unofficial, confidential. That means unofficial confession, which cannot be used as a legal proof for your prosecution in the court. So you can say this is an unofficial confession. You can say unofficial confession. So off the record. An example, you can see he accepted his fault off the record and hence it could not be used by the prosecutor in the court. Let us come to the next idiom. Oldest trick in the book. That means a well-known and much used trick method. That means the trick which has been used time and again. That means old trick or trick. That means the trick which is used time and again. The trick which was used frequently. Oldest trick in the book to treat cold and cough is drinking turmeric milk. That means widely used trick. Let us come to the next idiom. Off the cuff. That means without preparation, spontaneous, naturalist. She has a reputation of handling off the cuff interviews very well. Extemporary. Suppose you are asked to speak or sing without any preparation. So you can say she is asking me to sing a song off the cuff. That means naturally, spontaneously, without any preparation. You can say naturally, doing something naturally. Doing something naturally. Okay, so she has a reputation of handling off the cuff interviews very well without any preparation. Let us come to the next idiom. Old habits die hard. That means once a habit is formed, it is very difficult to give it up. People find it difficult to change their accustomed behavior. She retired last month but still gets up at the same time in the morning. Old habits die hard. That means habits are difficult to give up. Once formed, that means once formed habits are difficult, you can say, to give up. So it is advisable to form good habits which will help us in our career and future. Once in a blue moon, that means rarely, which doesn't occur regularly. Jill has a very rocky relationship with her father. She speaks to him once in a blue moon. That means suppose you say that he visits to my house once in a blue moon, very rarely. That means not frequently. You can say not frequently. Once in a blue moon. Suppose one of your friends seldom calls you, like once in a year. That means he calls you once in a blue moon, very rarely. Let us come to the next idiom. Open the floodgates. That means release something that is previously under control. You must have heard in the cricket commentary, once an opposition team started hitting the ball and the opposing captain loses control over his bowling department, that means floodgates are open. That means there is no control anymore. Actually, floodgates means, you know, in Hirakud, floodgates are there when water level is up, we open the floodgates. But in a idiomatic sense, we lose control over proceedings. We can say lose control over proceedings. Sentence is there, economists fear that relaxing price control will open the floodgates to inflation. That means government will lose control once price control is relaxed. Let us come to the next idiom. Out of the blue, that means happen unexpectedly, comes out of nowhere. That means happens, you can say, happens out of nowhere. She had given up all hope when out of the blue she got a call from the Harvard. That means you are not expecting a job, but suddenly a company calls you and you get a job. So out of the blue you get a job. That means it happens out of nowhere, by chance, by coincidence. These are out of the blue. Let us come to the next idiom. Out on a limb. That means do something risky or something that others do not support, leaving the doer in a difficult situation. She was out on a limb with a project. Nobody supported the idea. That means doing something without risky work without external support. Risky work without external support. Then the next idiom, over the top. That means totally excessive and not suitable for the occasion. That means which is unsuitable, you can say unsuitable for the occasion. Unsuitable for the event. Her saree was over the top for a somber occasion like this. That means suppose you say something which is unacceptable, unsuitable. Suppose you say something which is not relevant for a particular occasion, you are speaking over the top. So we should always avoid doing something over the top which will make us an object of ridicule. We will become laughable person in society if we keep doing something over the top. Let us come to the next idiom. Pen is mightier than sword. This is an age-old idiom in which the power of knowledge is more powerful than the power of force, power of violence. That means knowledge is more powerful than the force. That means knowledge is power. Words and communication have a greater effect than words. You see, the great example pen is mightier than sword is in our history. When our great ruler Ashoka, who won the Kalinga war by sword, but he ended up assuming Buddhist religion which was written in the pen, and that was proved mighty effective, and he became Dharmasok from Chandasok. So that shows pen is, when you win somebody's heart in pen, that is permanent victory. But when you kill someone, it creates enmity and it strikes you back again. Therefore, pen is mightier than sword. Knowledge is more powerful than the so-called force exerted by the sword. Let us come to the final idiom discussion today. Push one's luck. That means trying to obtain more than what one has. That means spoil the current situation. That means spoil the present. That means you are in a good situation, but you try to achieve more. That actually bringing disaster for you. If you have my permission to go to your friend's place, but don't push your luck by planning a night out. That means we always we should be in our limits. Once we push the limit, our luck might run out. So we have to be careful with our luck. One should not push one's luck. So these are the few idioms we have discussed today. I hope these idioms will be useful for you for your preparation. Please give your valuable comments for this video, and we will come up with more such videos in our coming lesson. Thank you for watching.